How to fix audio jack problems on Windows devices. Open Settings and go to System. Select Troubleshooters. Select Other Troubleshooter. Click Playing Audio. Select Run. This troubleshooter might take some time to fix the problem automatically. Wait for 2 to 4 minutes to complete the operation. Select the audio device you would like to troubleshoot. Click Next. Restart your computer once the troubleshooter completes the operation successfully. Reinstall audio drivers. Open Device Manager from the search window. Select the arrow next to Sound, Video and Game Controllers to expand it. Right-click the driver Realtek R and select Uninstalled Device. Select the checkbox and click Uninstall. This will uninstall the generic audio drivers. Do not worry, the drivers will be reinstalled again after we restart the device. Now click Restart. Using Command Prompt. Search for Command Prompt in the search bar on the taskbar. Right-click and select Run as Administrator option. Type or paste this command and click Enter. Net localgroup administrators / add networkservice. The second command is net localgroup administrators / add localservice. I have done this method already, so I am getting this error. If you are trying it for first time, you will get command operation completed successfully message. Restart your computer and test the audio jack. Download drivers from the PC manufacturer website. Open your browser and search for your computer manufacturer name in the search bar and select the appropriate link. You can enter the computer model number or the serial number. If else, this page will automatically detect your device. Ensure it is the right one and select it. Select Find Drivers on the page and look for audio drivers in the lists. In most PCs, Realtek R audio driver would be the generic audio drivers. Download the driver and install it. Once installed, ensure to restart your computer. You will be good. Thanks for watching.